All right, today we're going to bring a wireless HDMI. Now, these are perfect for if you're gaming in a different area location or your TV's far away from your actual wire. So this is a wireless connection, point-to-point connection, antenna. So we're actually going to open it up and see what you get. First of all, these are actually very petite. I'm going to put one of them in my hand so you can see. This is without the antenna, all right? One of them's the receiver and one is the transmitter, right? And we're going to set that up in a bit right now. You are going to need a USB Type-C. It's included with it. And of course, the HDMI, all right? So RX is going to be for the TV, all right? And then TX is going to be to whatever you want to transmit, either your PlayStation, your computer, pretty much anything you want to transmit to the TV. So we're going to test it out right now, and we're going to set it up in a long distance and see how well it works, and from room to room and wall to wall too. The antennas are very petite, very small. They give you a HDMI, which is a short little cable, which is that's all you need. You could actually mount these and set them up behind the TV, but just make sure you click on the right one when you're ready to connect, and you change it to right input too. Also included with it, they give you an actual converter from HDMI to micro HDMI. So this is perfect if you have a camera. And I do have a camera with a micro USB. Now, I've seen these set up on drones too, where they transmit live footage on their portable cameras that they have. And this is another way you can do that. There's very different ways. They give you another converter, right, for another smaller HDMI to larger HDMI, right? They give you two different types for cameras. These are perfect for digital cameras. If you want to be able to transmit your video from distances or from your camera on live footage, this is a perfect way to do it. So we're going to test them out and see how well it works. So, and there is an application you also could reinstall, and that's perfect for updates and also to transmit from your machine. If you don't have these transmitters, you could transmit wireless. There's actually a download page that you have to download the application, and that's going to be you could transmit wirelessly through your phone and through your laptop if you install the application. Right, so I have it here. My PlayStation 5 is right here behind all my computer, all my wires. It's a mess, but we're gonna go ahead and show you where it's at. All right, so I'm gonna walk out. 1, 2, 3. Let me go walk out. So we're gonna walk out exactly to the place. I just don't want to show you my mess around me because barcodes and stuff like that and things like that cannot come out in the nature. So I'm walking outdoors. I'm like maybe 15, 20 feet away from it, and actually 50 feet away from it if you include walls. So let me go ahead and show you what I see now. And now our PlayStation 5 is connected to here, if you guys can see that. And of course I have my controller here, Bluetooth, and look at this. I'm just gonna put you guys down here, play a game, and start this one up. So I'm going to show you guys how it works with the wireless here. And the connection on the Bluetooth is a little slow because I'm far away, so I have to connect an extender for that too. But we're going to hear the audio on this. We're going to put it up all the way up. Audio all the way up so you can hear it. And let's go ahead and test it out on our video game system on PlayStation 5, guys. All right.
Wings up. I'm out of shotgun ammo. Box 3, I got radar. I'm on a whole new level.
The wireless display is working very well. You guys can see I'm actually really far away from it, so you can see my mess, but I'm gonna show you how far I am. It's all the way in this room here that we're gonna show you. PlayStation is sitting in that room in the back. So I like the whole setup, the simplicity of it, very simple, long range, great for outdoors, karaoke, videos, YouTube, any movies you want to watch from anywhere. This wireless device transmits the actual audio and everything else to it, and not that much of a lag. I couldn't see the lag. It was very simple, and I have thick walls that were actually walking through some rooms. All right, so very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.